I gotta breathe. Thank you.
Let's again the couches. Oh my god. What is this place only letting the things are couches? In Czech Republic we have also this. I hope you like Praha, and if you want I can say Prague. Here he likes so much couches for the next engine will come, and that engine will connect with the second couches.